Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. Second regular puzzle is a medium Sudoku. We have here three regular puzzles. First one I've already solved, the binary puzzle, and later on I will solve this one, the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. In the afternoon I will solve those puzzles, half of those puzzles. But let me first start with this one. By the way, news of the day, it's war day number 315. 315 days ago the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. I hope this new year will stop with the war. Anyway, Sudoku medium. This will be number 5734. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. I've noticed that all the medium Sudokus has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in the additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle, and for 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. I cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. How about 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this row. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 3. Alright. Then. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. And 8 in the first column, so no 8 in that box. 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. There an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. 4. Then, let me see. 2. 5. Which number can I pick? 9. Okay. Alright. 2, yeah. 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, and the no. We have a 2 there again. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes at there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. The 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 5, 5. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. Yeah. 5, 5. Oh, 5 in a last row, 5 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. Need to wait. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, and we have 1 and a 2 in this column. So no 1 and 2 in this box. The 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 here in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle row for the number 6. 6, okay. 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. 2, 3, 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 here in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes at there. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be at there. We have a pair, the 4 and the 5 in the first column, the 4 and the 5 in the third column. So the column between, the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Alright. The 1 in this column, the 1 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes at there. And we have a pair, I believe. The 1 and the 6 in the first column, the 1 and the 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 3 and then 9. 3, 9. 3, 9, and well, we have a 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. How about 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9, 7 and the 9. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 goes here and the 7 goes here. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have a 5 now in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. One box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, there are only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 2. How about the 5? And all the 5's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. How about 6? And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 4, number 6. 1 box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. No, 4 and a 9. Correction. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.